Good morning, welcome to Headline Highlights, your go-to destination for top stories that's making wave on the front pages of newspaper. Today is the 26th day of February 2024. My name is Chetatku Omaram. Let's take stories from the Punch. NLC protest. Presidency. Police issues fresh warning as 65 groups pulls out. This story is found on the page 2 of the Punch newspaper. And still on the Punch, food smuggling. Customs to man 1,500 illegal routes with drones. This story is found on the page 7. We take a quick move to Vanguard. Job losses. Factory closures looms as unsold goods piles up. Manufacturing Association of Nigeria. Still on the Vanguard, Qatar makes U-turn to host investment forums during Tinubu's visit. This story is found on the page 4 of the Vanguard newspaper. The Nation. Pressure mounts on LLC over planned protest. No going back, says Ajeru. This story is found on the page 4 of the Nation's newspaper. And still on the Nation, Dangote, Soludo, Abiodun, Elomelu, Riwan, others in Tinubu's economic team. This story is found on page 4. We take a quick move to Daily Trust. Qatar backtracks, host Nigerians business forums. This story is found on the page 4. Still on the page 4, Nigerians, Northern senators welcome ECOWAS lifting of sanctions. Still on the page 4, Gaza truce talk resumes in Doha. Over the weekend on sports, Chelsea loses Carrabao Cup title to Liverpool. And still on the sports stories, Iwobi and Bassey calls to give Manchester United their first loss for 2024. This is how we call it a wrap on the headline highlights. Thanks for joining us.